Welcome to Addis IT Academy. Today, we're going to supercharge your computer skills by learning 20 essential Windows shortcuts that will save you time, boost your productivity, and make using your PC a breeze. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to work smarter, this tutorial is perfect for you. Stay tuned and master these shortcuts step by step so you can navigate Windows like a pro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of constantly reaching for your mouse for every single click? Do you feel like you could be working faster and smarter on your PC? If you answered yes, then you're in the right place, because today we're diving into the world of Windows shortcuts. These simple key combinations are absolute game changers, and they can dramatically boost your productivity, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to navigate their computer like a pro. Think about how much time you spend dragging, dropping, and clicking through menus. What if I told you that you could cut that time in half, or even more? Shortcuts are like secret passages within your operating system, allowing you to perform tasks instantly with just a couple of key presses. It might seem like a small thing, but trust me, once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. They're not just for tech wizards, they're for everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you 20 essential Windows shortcuts that will transform your daily workflow. We'll cover everything from the absolute basics, like copying and pasting, to more advanced tricks for managing your windows and taking quick screenshots. I've broken them down into easy-to-understand categories: basic navigation, window management, text editing, and system shortcuts. We'll start with the fundamentals that everyone should know. Things like Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+V for paste are the building blocks. But did you know there is an easy way to undo a mistake with Ctrl+Z, or even redo it with Ctrl+Y? These simple commands alone will save you countless seconds every single day. Then we'll move on to managing your desktop like a boss. Juggling multiple windows can be a headache, but with shortcuts like Alt+Tab to switch between apps, and the Windows key plus arrow keys to snap windows perfectly to the side of your screen, you'll be multitasking effortlessly. I'll also show you how to instantly get to your desktop with Windows+D or lock your computer in a flash with Windows L. Ready to level up your efficiency and unlock the full power of your keyboard? Grab a notepad or just get ready to practice along with me. By the end of this video, you'll have a whole new set of skills to make your computer experience faster and more fluid. Let's get started. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of clicking through endless menus in Windows, feeling like your mouse is slowing you down? Do you ever watch someone fly through their tasks on a computer and wonder, how are they doing that so fast? Well, the secret is often hidden in plain sight, right at your fingertips. I'm talking about keyboard shortcuts. Today, I'm going to transform the way you use your Windows PC. We're diving into 20 essential shortcuts that will seriously boost your productivity, save you a ton of time, and make you feel like a true power user. Whether you're a student trying to finish an assignment, a professional juggling multiple projects, or just someone who wants to work smarter, not harder, this video is for you. Forget the slow, tedious clicking. We'll cover everything from basic navigation and text editing to expert-level window management and system commands. These aren't just random tricks. They are powerful tools that, once you learn them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without. I've broken them down into simple categories, so they're super easy to remember and start using immediately. By the end of this video, you'll be navigating your desktop like a pro, editing documents in a flash, and managing your open apps with a single keystroke. Ready to unlock your computer's full potential and reclaim your valuable time? Let's get started and turn you into a keyboard ninja. We'll begin with the absolute fundamentals that everyone should know. That's it for today. You've each just learned 20 powerful Windows shortcuts that will make your work faster and your PC experience smoother. Keep practicing them, and soon they'll become second nature. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Addis IT Academy for more tips, tricks, and computer skills tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson. Tired of endlessly clicking through menus? Want to work faster and smarter on your computer? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to supercharge your productivity by unlocking the power of your keyboard. I am going to show you 20 essential Windows shortcuts that will completely change the way you use your PC, making you feel like a true power user. We'll start with the absolute basics, the ones you might already know but are crucial to master. I'm talking about the famous trio, Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+X to cut, and Ctrl+D to paste. These are the building blocks of efficient work. Made a mistake? No problem. Ctrl+Z will undo your last action in a flash. And if you change your mind again, Ctrl+Y will redo it. Think of these 5 as your digital safety net, always there to help you edit and move content effortlessly. Next, let's take control of your workspace with some window and desktop management tricks. Feeling overwhelmed by too many open applications? Just press Alt+Tab to quickly cycle through everything you have running. It's like having a remote control for your screen. Need to see your desktop instantly? Hit the Windows key +D and everything disappears. Hit it again and all your windows come right back. It's perfect for quickly finding a file or just clearing the clutter. If you need to step away from your computer, don't just leave it open. Press Windows key +L to lock your PC instantly, keeping your work private and secure. Want to dive into your files? Windows key +C opens the File Explorer right away, no more searching for the icon. And one of my personal favorites for multitasking is using the Windows key with the arrow keys. You can snap windows to the left or right side of your screen, maximize them, or minimize them with a single key press. It makes comparing documents or keeping an eye on multiple tasks a breeze. Now let's get into some powerful text editing shortcuts. When you need to select everything in a document or on a page, just press Ctrl+A. It's way faster than dragging your mouse. Looking for a specific word? Ctrl+F opens the Find feature in almost any application, from your web browser to your word processor. And please get into the habit of frequently hitting Ctrl+S to save your work. Trust me, it will save you from a lot of heartaches. Ready to print? Ctrl+P will bring up the print dialog instantly. And a neat little trick for organizing your files, Ctrl Shift N creates a new folder right where you are. Finally, let's cover some system-level shortcuts. Need to change a setting? Windows key +I opens the settings menu directly. If you need to search for anything on your computer, Windows key +S brings up the search bar. For the more advanced users, Windows key +R opens the Run dialog, a gateway to powerful commands. When you're done with an app, instead of aiming for the little X, just press Alt+F to close it. And my absolute favorite for sharing information, Windows key +Shift+S. This lets you take a screenshot of a specific part of your screen, which is incredibly useful. And there you have it, 20 shortcuts to make your life easier. Start with a few, practice them daily, and soon they'll become second nature. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.